Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to send money from UK bank to another bank. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. So what I'm going to show you today is called Wise.com. Don't worry, this is a trusted one. All you need to do is head over to Wise.com and then open a new account. Once you do, we're going to click on send money. Now you could be sending money international. You could also be sending money to same currency. If it's international, then this one we're going to choose. If it's GBP, then GBP. If it's euro, then we can also type in euro and then click on euro, and then to whoever you're sending it, let's say UAE. So we're going to select this and then you're going to put in the amount, and then you're going to click on continue, and from there it's going to ask you who are you sending it. So add the recipient, someone else, and then put in their bank account details, confirm it, review it, and send it. And if it's someone of the same currency, let us head back to the other page. Same currency, euro, you want to send however much you want. You're going to click on continue and then add a recipient. If it's yourself or someone else, click on it accordingly and then put in their email and their bank account details, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.